Good morning, class 8. Today we are going to start the first chapter, that is operating system and graphical user interface, role and function. In this chapter we are going to discuss the need of an operating system, evolution of an operating system, role of an operating system, function of an operating system, modes of operating system and exploring Windows. So let us begin. Now let us see what is operating system. The first thing which is loaded into computer system is an operating system. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. So OS is an essential component of computer system. It is the system software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Now we'll see need of operating system. Now we will see need of an operating system. Why there is a need of an operating system? Because for smooth functioning of computers we need an operating system, and it also coordinates different hardware and software component of computer system. Second, it supervises the various activities of computer system and enables the computer to function in an efficient manner. Children, it also helps in smooth functioning of various peripheral devices. And the main task, it is a multitasking operating system which determines how the order and time to be allocated to each application before giving another application a turn, which means we can do two tasks simultaneously at the same time. Lastly, then why there is a need, it sends messages to the system operator, but the status of an operation of an error may be occurred while running an application. Now we will start with function of an operating system. The first software that is loaded in computer system is operating system. Now see some function of it. Booting the process. Booting the system means as soon as we switch on the computer till we get the blue screen, in between the process is called booting up the process. In that time, it allows the user to perform the task with the help of set of program. Second, loading the program in the memory. As soon as the computer is ready, the operating system loads certain program automatically in the primary memory. That helps for the execution of the program and for proper result. Third, managing resources. As the name suggests, it coordinates between the hardware and software in the computer system. Detecting and correcting error. If supporting hardware or software doesn't work properly, so children, operating system try to rectify, means correct the error and guide us the steps to be taken next. Ensuring data security. Like nowadays, the operating system has inbuilt data security like firewall and other things. That helps to protect our system destroyed by any other user. Maintaining internal clock of the system. It maintains the internal clock of the computer system even if the computer is shut down.